Hello, crafty friends. Today I want to talk to you about paper pumpkin. So this is a kit that you can get from Stampin' Up. It's a subscription. You can get it every month. You can subscribe one at a time. You can subscribe for 3 months, 12 months, and it gets delivered right to your door. I think this is fabulous for two reasons. One, if you're traveling. So today I'm on vacation. I grabbed this kit on my way out. It's a nice small box, and this has everything you need in it to make the projects inside. And so I'm going to show you what's inside and hopefully pique your interest in this. The other thing I think this is great for, even if you're not traveling, is to have around, one, if you're just starting in crafting, this is great and easy, and we'll introduce you to lots of the techniques to use. And you don't have to go to Michael's and buy everything in the store just to get ready to make one card. So again, it's great for just starting out. It's also really handy if you want to just have something around your living room or your dining room table that you can putter on when you have a few minutes here and there without pulling out lots of crafting supplies or going off to your craft cave if you have one. So I think this is a really great option. I've done a couple of these before. I know what's inside is going to be fabulous. So let's show you what's inside. Let's open it up. So as I said, this box itself will come to you in the mail. I found, let's see, this is beautifully wrapped and some nice tissue paper that I'm sure I'll put to good use. First, we have an instruction guide. So you can see the pictures of the completed cards on the front here, and then step-by-step instructions to follow with pictures. So stamping on some things, using some cutouts, taping things together. And there's even a beautiful box in here, a clear plastic box that you can make with a little band you put around it if you want to gift the whole set of completed cards to someone. There's this neat ruler along the edge that I'm sure will come in handy and where to place things. And on the back, shows you everything that's in the kit that I'll be going through. And then also a QR code where you can use that to go online to see detailed instructions and watch somebody making it. I'll actually make some of these cards today and show you how that works. And then links for more information. And you can find information about this on my website at blueberrycanary.stampinup.net. All right, so that's the instructions. Next, we have some tear-off tape. It comes with some bling, dimensional stickers, and looks like a few glue dots. So even all of the adhesives you need are in the kit. And then there's a stamp set. This one is beautiful. 1,000 good luck wishes, some dandelions, hello friend, wishing you all the best, little flowers. So that will coordinate with the paper. It comes with the ink, a little ink spot. This one is Pebbled Path, so you don't need your own ink. And then let's see, it looks like we have the card bases. So there's going to be several different designs here. Let me see, I think it's going to make 3 different designs. So you can see these fold in half, and that's your card base with beautiful design on the front and the back. This has a little gold on it. That's beautiful. And then let's see, there's a different one here. So several of each of those. Here are some cutouts that have gold foil on them, and looking at the instructions just a second ago, it looks like we'll be stamping in these spaces. Here are some more of the card bases, another different design. beautiful color of blue. I'll have to figure out which color that is. Oh, these envelopes are gorgeous. So the envelopes have a design on the flap, and then this beautiful flower that kind of gives a hint to what will be inside. So all of the envelopes come here. Let's see, we're gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, I should have looked this up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like we'll have 9 cards out of this. So 9 cards for $25 is a pretty good deal. These are very high quality, be really nice. Some more punch outs with gold foil on them. A couple of card fronts. I'm sure we'll be using, I imagine we'll be using these as card fronts with gold foil flowers. This is the box I was telling you about. So it looks like we'll fold this and it'll create a clear box with this band around it. So you can gift the cards if you want to do that, or use this for another gift. And then we have some punch outs. So there's some gold ones here, and some yellow flowers. I think these are dandelions. And there you have it. So we will use all of these materials. We will end up with 9 cards and a box, and we will not have had to bring anything from home with us. And we'll have a good session of crafting fun. Despite my best intentions when I got my paper pumpkin box, and I thought I would get right to making this kit, I didn't. I set it aside, and a couple weeks have gone by, and now I'm actually taking it easy. I'm recovering from a shoulder surgery and can kind of craft with one hand, and found out that this project is perfect for that. So I spread it out on my picnic table. Everything I needed was in the box. I can take my time, a very small amount of stamping and taping pieces together, and I'm getting some beautiful cards already. I'll show you the finished kit when I'm done, probably tomorrow night. I'm going very slow, but it's a great kit for something like that. I think this would be good to take with you traveling, or if you have to go somewhere with the kiddos and wait for them while they play a game, or take lessons or something like that. Or for me, this would probably be a great thing to bring along on business trips too. And here is the finished product. This card kit made beautiful cards. I got 9 cards. They have sparkle, they have dimension, beautifully printed card bases, front and back. I made 3 each of these designs. It was very simple. As I said, I'm actually crafting with one hand today. The kit also came with a full set of envelopes that are printed with beautiful little dandelion on the front, an accented envelope back, and it even included this little box that all of these cards could be put into if I wanted to gift the whole set to someone. And so the kit had everything I needed. I did it pretty much right here on my picnic table. I had exactly enough. I mean, I had more than enough. Had exactly the right amount of glue dots, a few extra dimensionals left, the stamp set that I can keep and use again in the future, and a little bit of the Terran tape is left, and a few pieces of bling I can stick to other projects. So I'm very excited about the Paper Pumpkin subscription program. I've already ordered next month. I hope you'll order it too, and we can do it together, either in person or virtually. Let me know what questions you have. And then also left over is this great box that I'm sure I'll find use for storing crafting supplies, and a piece of tissue paper that I'll probably repurpose as well. Thanks for joining me.